Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Manager. First, let's understand its purpose. A file manager is your central hub for organizing all digital files on your device. To open it, simply search for File Explorer on Windows or Files on Mac OS and Linux. Once open, you'll see a clear interface displaying your drives, folders, and individual files, ready for you to explore and manage. Now, let's dive into navigation and organization. You can easily create new folders to categorize your documents, photos, and videos, keeping everything tidy. Moving and copying files is straightforward. Just drag and drop them to their desired location. Renaming a file or folder is also simple, allowing you to maintain clear and descriptive labels for all your content. Moving on to some advanced operations, the search bar is incredibly powerful for finding specific files quickly, even if you only remember part of the name. You can also compress files into archives, like a zip file, to save valuable storage space or make them easier to share. And when you need to declutter, deleting unwanted items is just a few clicks away, ensuring your system stays lean. Finally, here are some essential tips and tricks. Mastering keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste will significantly speed up your workflow. Always check file properties to understand details like size, creation date, and permissions. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if your car needs a little pick-me-up, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy organizing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.